how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method that will help you make from $200 to $2,000 per month, depending on your discipline and your commitment and your willingness to work. So basically guys, the method is like this way. So you're going to go to Google Maps and type the United States or the UK. Just make sure to choose a country that has a lot, that the currency of that country is high enough and will leave you with a good margin. So for example, I'm going to use the United States in today's method. So basically the method, guys, is we're going to search for the local small businesses in this country, or we're going to choose a city and we're going to find the local small businesses in the city. And then we're going to help them get rid of the bad reviews and get more good reviews. And also we're going to see if they need a website and we're going to make them one, if they need help with advertisement or anything related to them getting more clients. And you will not need any skill whatsoever. You will just need to pitch your offer or your service to the clients. Then you will need to book a meeting with them, then close the clients and get paid. After you get paid, you will just go to Fiverr.com or any other platform, any other freelancing platform that you'd like to work on. So for example, I like to use Fiverr. And then you will come here and you will search for the freelancers that master those skills. For example, like creating websites, there are freelancers that can do that job for you. And the prices for those jobs, including for example, for the website creation, it starts from $40 to $250, $300, but we just need something between $80 to $80 and $60. You will get a great website for that number or that price. And then you will just need to get paid from the business owner here. For example, we're going to offer the service for them for $200. Then we will get paid $200 from the client, and we will pay the freelancer $80 or $100, and we will be left with a great margin for the win. Literally nothing, just finding the business owners and just convincing them to purchase our service. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that in practice. So here, this is the United States. Let's zoom in on that. And here, let's choose a state. For example, let's choose Las Vegas, for example. Let's go to Las Vegas. And here we're going to search for the local small businesses. So here, let's go to the search. Remove United States. Let's remove the United States and let's type, for example, auto repairing, for example, auto repairing, auto repair, and let's see the local businesses that offer the service. So here we have a lot of sponsored business pages like this one, Aero Alignment, Global Auto Repair, and you have this one which ranked the first after the sponsored ones. So here let's choose someone that is a little bit below or has a little bit less reviews and less good reviews and a little bit of bad reviews, in order to give us some angle to approach him in. Because if you went for the ones that are sponsored in here, you will already find that they have their marketing team, they have their website, they have everything that they need. But the small ones and the ones that doesn't even have the website or doesn't have good reviews or little bit reviews, like this one for example says auto shop. So this is a perfect target to choose for this method. So here he doesn't even have a website, he only has his phone number or on his business page. And let's see his reviews. He has some bad reviews, as you can see in here. Been to sales a few times, never had a major problem, good guy. This particular different, my truck was running when I drop it off to them, they didn't fix the problem because my insurance didn't cover it. Okay, fine, I got my truck towed back to me. When I received my truck, everything was took apart. So this is, guys, an example of the bad reviews that they would be eager to remove from their profile. So this is what we're going to use. You'll just need to take a screenshot of this review and then go to their phone number. You can either call them or you can check if this number has a WhatsApp. Then you can send them a message talking about your service and how it's going to help them gain more clients and how also it's going to help them gain their trust back. So this is just an example of a bad review. Let's see if we can find some other bad reviews, and those bad reviews are very helpful in order to convince the business owners to purchase your service, because those bad reviews, if you show them those bad reviews, they will think that these reviews are very bad for their reputation. It's a reason to purchase your service, because they will need that to remove those bad reviews. So here I can't find any other bad review, but there will be some other bad reviews. You will just need to look for them. So this is the example, guys. I hope you understand the method. So as I said before, this business, for example, you will have a lot of things to make money from. For example, you will have to build them a website, help them with removing the bad reviews, and also help them with promotion if they want that. If they want to be sponsored, like these two auto repair shops. And that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.